So, hello students. So, this is 12th computer science practical programs. So, as you can see that general instructions, eight exercises from Python and two exercises from MySQL. Okay. So, MySQL is a database application. Python is a programming application. Okay. So, you will be creating Python program for eight exercises and two exercises in MySQL. In practical exam, the question will have two questions. Question paper will have two questions with the internal choice. One question should be chosen from the list of internal choices. Distribution of mark is as follows. Okay, so record your internal mark record is 5 mark, and writing code 10 marks, and execution 5 marks. So you have 10 exercises. So first two are having two subdivisions. Okay, so calculate fraction and calculate sum of sum of a series. So today we are going to see this two examples. Okay, two exercises, which is calculating factorial. So here you can see that they are creating code here. Num is a variable which gets the value from the user. So integer input, enter a number. So the number which is given by the user will be converted as integer variable. And if num is equal to 0, if the user enters 0, then the factorial will be equal to 1. So to create a block, they have used a indentation. Fact is equal to 1, and you can see that in the next statement, fact is equal to 1. They are assigned as a default. So for they are using a for loop, I in range 1 to number 1 plus 1. Number 1 plus, which means that it is incremented. So fact is equal to fact star I. So it will keep on incrementing with 1 into 1, 1 into 2, 2 into 2. So it will keep on incrementing the values. Okay, so after finishing till the range number 1, so it will just print the number. Okay, so this is a output of factorial of 12. Okay, so here the user is entering 12 as a factorial number. So this value will be assigned as 13 for getting 12 values of factorial. So the range will run from 1 to 12. So 1 into already the factorial is assigned as 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. So next is 1 into 2 is 2. Next is 2 into 3 is 12. So it will keep on going until you get the value of 12. So this is factorial. Next is a sum of series. Okay, so you have to give so the user is giving some value which is 4. So x is equal to 0. S is equal to 0.0. So they are assigning some float value, and they are getting some values from the user, which is 4. So for I in range 1 to n plus 1. So the user entered value is incremented by 1. So the user is entering 4 here. It is added with 1. So the value is 5 now. So the range will come from 1 to 5 to get 4 values from 1 to 4. So now A is equal to float of I star I, which means 1 to the power 1 divided by 1. So 1 to the power 1 divided by 1, so which is 1. So and the next is s is equal to s plus a. So already s is equal to 0.0, which is equal to 0.0 plus 1 is which is 1. Okay, so this part of the program will be executed until it reaches 4. So here you can see that the value of the output is 76.0. So with this we'll finish this experiment number 1. We'll see the rest of the things in the next class. Thank you, students.